Nico's got some pups in the arenas, teaching them how to go on the agility equipment. Just builds confidence, gets them used to interacting with different things. Like this pup here is getting used to those leaf poles falling behind him. So it's just little things that desensitize them, make them so they're not so sensitive to sounds and movement. Getting used to skateboards, which is a common thing that dogs develop, is a hatred of skateboards. So helping him learn to just deal with that and not make a big deal out of it, be familiar with it. Learning to go up and down that little ramp, different textures under the puppy's feet is a really good thing to practice. So they just get used to different surfaces and different objects, different sounds. All that stuff is so good for introducing, especially young pups, but any dog of any age that has issues with it. There's no time like the present. You might as well start teaching them and helping them get over their fear or their anger with different objects and different sounds.